Hi guys, welcome back. Now we have science, and today in science we're going to be discussing about a new topic, which is changing materials. I believe that by now you already know what a material is, so we're going to be looking at the different things that can change materials, okay, and we're going to be looking at the different properties of materials when it changes from one state to another. Okay, so I would like you to turn your workbook to page 306. You'll find that in the green pages, page 306. And you write the date also. That's the first thing we do. Today is Wednesday, January 20, 2021, page 306. And there you find the topic, changing materials. Changing materials. So let's read together the first dot. The first dot says heat, cold, and other things can change materials. Heat, cold, and other things can change materials. So we're going to be looking at heat, cold, and other things that can change materials from one state to another. And the second one says when a material changes, some of its properties change. So when a material changes, it doesn't really look the same way. When maybe heat or cold is applied to a material and it changes, some properties also change, okay? Because it doesn't remain the same in the same state. All right? So with that, we're going to carry out the exercises. Page on exercise A, it says match to show the material before and after its change. So we have to look at the material in the spaces. Okay, we have to look at the materials, different materials on this side, and we have to match it to its state after the change. So here you can see a boy pouring a juice into the ice bar. Okay, so what do you think? Which state do you think this will be after cold is applied to it? Because definitely after doing this, he's going to put it in a freezer and it gets cold and blocked up. So what state do you think this is going to look like after being brought out from the fridge? So it's going to look like this, a popsicle. Okay, so what you're going to do is you have to draw a line from here to this one. This is a lollipop, and this is not how the material is going to look like when cold is applied to it. So this is the correct one. You draw a line to this. Understood? So let's do number 2 together again before you continue with number 3 to 6. So we have a box of chocolate in number 2. Box of chocolate. Okay, so when you touch the chocolate, how will your hand look like? Will it look like this, stained with chocolate, or will it look like this, having a cheese on your palm? Definitely it's going to look like this. So we have to draw a line from here to this space, okay? Because when you have your hand touch the chocolate, your hand is going to look like this and not like this. So we have to draw a line to this. So that's it. Continue with number 3 to 6. Draw a line to the next to show the material before it's changed or after it's changed.